Yeah, true salute. Now they welcome for going Pidgin. After match, talk about how you see them. Chelsea 0 and Fulham 0. We get Oga Ose, we be like still a very ogbonge Chelsea fan. Make tell us about how you see this game. Oga Ose, now how you see your team performance today?
But to me, the performance is very poor. The coach not try. Now, coach the problem of this game clearly, because if you observe this game, players where we give us vibe, coach dey use am. I don't see why inside attacker the bench boy they use Havertz. Martin don't know the work. Gallagher the same thing. So the game not follow. I not believe say this coach go spell game like this.
Okay, make I ask you about one player now. I want to ask you about Mudryk now. You know, so when Chelsea sign a big money signing, the expectation, what people they expect from Mudryk, he high where. How you see in performance for that first half where he play?
Performance is very poor. Still because of the coach, because of Mason Mount. That guy don lost form. At least watch this game. He no play the middle where he dey. He go need to draw out to create chance for that guy. Or rather, he dey make the game like say again dey go tight the guy for where the guy dey. So that be the problem wey we dey get. So the coach get new wahala. And the coach will make problem now for Chelsea. Yeah.
So what about, I want to ask you about another new signing now. How you see Fofana, performance for inside this game when they change and put?
Yes, now. He clear say better pass Havertz. He clear well say better pass Havertz. I tell one guy once that say the way natural attacker be, different from who they play first nine. Havertz na first nine. You see the way that Fofana dey move. See the movement. They actually see there. If I be cautious, Havertz will be like nine again. I say it will be.
So with what you they see now, what you they, as a Chelsea fan, what you they expect make it change for Chelsea next games?
Make it bench Havertz, make it bench Mount. At least Ghana can start if Kante and Zakari never come. But Havertz and Mount need to stay bench. I'm saying they're not good though, but make them learn. That's in pride. That big boy too much at the moment. To me, yes.
What about Enzo Fernandez? How you see him debut
That's
today?
the man of the game for us. Fernandez try. Even that non-demand, okay? Get him pass Ziyech. So I think Fernandez played very well. Just need one like Kante now come back now. The work rate will call less for him. He go distribute. Kante can do the marking. I want to do the mix ever since with this. So I think it will be for us.
So with what you they see now this season, where you fit take predict say now Chelsea go finish?
But I don't fix okay again 6th or 7th. When you say 6th, 7th, 4th to 7th. Now predict.
I want to ask you about PM Aubameyang now. My last question for you. PM Aubameyang, how you see this matter? Chelsea no ready start for UEFA Champions League. So you as a Chelsea fan, may they keep him for the club or may they sell him by the end of the season?
End of season, he go come out. He must. I'm not saying we'll see another attacker. We'll get Broja for there. Go join Fofana. So he go come out normally.
So to you, now good decision not to register him for Champions League.
Now good, but young boys there. Don't use old man to the bench young boys. So if not me, I will come out go after. Now I'm Arab, now go. You know if you play for Chelsea again. Last season we did for Premier League self.
All right, now, guys. My country people, now lawyer boy, of course, where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content, but make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.